For too long, bar prep has been stuck in the past. Today, that all changes.
At Celebration Bar Review, we've seen the future of bar prep. A future where students will study in an immersive, interactive way with the power to customize all the learning needed to pass the bar.
It's true. Starting today, you can access the only bar review course that utilizes the most revolutionary talked about device in personal computing since the computer itself.
We're talking about the new Apple Vision Pro, a fully immersive computer you wear. With the bar exam success course on the Vision Pro, you'll never study the same way again.
The new Vision Pro Bar Success course enables you to engage with your lectures, texts, and practice questions in a fundamentally different way than ever before.
You can immerse yourself in the lectures, open screens of text as large as the room you're in, prepare mind maps, and answer multiple-choice questions, all with a simple wave of your hands. This is truly a new way to study.
This new course utilizes world-class learning with state-of-the-art technology. You'll study faster, better, and with superior results. We guarantee it.
Bar Review on the Apple Vision Pro, available today exclusively from Celebration Bar Review. Click the link for details and begin the study journey of a lifetime.